Okay, so Becky, I need to tell you something. And before you say anything, it's not about the oven.
Oh? That's already suspicious, Josh. Okay, go on.
Well, this week I heard 3 vacation stories, and they were funny, but I don't know, something felt strange.
Strange how? Like creepy strange? Or, that's odd strange.
Oh, more like, wait a second, strange. Because first, everything sounded normal. Totally normal. And then, later, something small went wrong. And in the end, the whole day changed.
Okay, I see that face. You're doing it.
Doing what?
Detective mode, Josh. You're analyzing patterns again.
I mean, maybe. Just a little.
All right, Detective Josh, what's the question?
The question is, when did the problem really start?
Oh, not when everything exploded.
No.
But before that.
Exactly.
Okay, I like this. So let's investigate, shall we?
Sure. So we asked people one simple thing. Tell us about one small decision you made on your last vacation and what happened next.
And if you're listening right now, listen carefully, okay? Because the mistake may not be where you think it is.
Yeah, don't rush it. We're looking for clues.
So, last summer, I traveled alone for the first time, and I was really excited. First, I booked this small hotel online. It looked cute, nice pictures, good reviews, everything looked fine. Then I arrived late at night, around 11. I was tired, but I was happy. So I walked to my room, I opened the door, and surprise, someone was inside. Then I closed the door immediately. Oh my gosh, I just stood there in the hallway thinking, what is happening? Well, later that night, when I finally calmed down, I checked my email again, and yeah, that's when I noticed it. I booked the wrong date. I didn't book that night. No, I did not. I booked the next week.
Well. So the problem started when she opened the door.
No, I don't think so, Josh.
No?
That's when she discovered the problem, not when it started.
Oh, right. Okay. So maybe it started when she arrived late.
Did arriving late create the mistake?
Well, no.
Exactly. So...
Wait. Before that, she booked it.
Yes, Josh.
But she checked it.
She checked it, but she didn't read it carefully.
Oh, so checking isn't the same as really checking.
Exactly. At first, everything looked fine, but before that night, before she arrived, she rushed the booking.
So the hotel wasn't the real problem.
No, the booking was.
That's right. Case 1, small mistake.
Yes, very small.
But later, big effect.
That's usually how it works.
That's comforting.
It's not comforting, Josh. It just means we need to slow down sometimes.
Ah, that sounds nicer. Okay then, case number 2, shall we? Let's see if I learned anything.
Let's see if you're improving, Detective. No pressure.
Oh, great. No pressure at all. So, last spring I planned this boat tour, right? I planned everything carefully, like really carefully. The next morning, I woke up early. I dressed quickly and I checked the weather. Wow, it looked perfect. Then my alarm rang again. I turned it off. I thought, okay, 5 more minutes. After that, I closed my eyes just for a second. When I opened them again, it was almost 10. I I missed the boat. I waited for the next one, but yeah, it wasn't the same tour.
Okay. So the problem started when he missed the boat?
Well, that's the result, Josh.
Right. Sorry, I'm jumping ahead.
You are. Try again, Josh.
Okay. He woke up late.
Did he?
Oh, no, I remember now. He woke up early. He said the next morning I woke up early. That's right.
Uh-huh. Exactly.
So, it started when he turned off the alarm.
Now you're thinking.
At first, everything was fine. He planned it, the weather looked good.
And then?
Then, he turned it off.
Right. And, after that?
After that, he closed his eyes again.
Boom. There it is.
So, the problem didn't start at the boat.
No, it didn't.
It started in the bedroom.
Yes, it did, before he closed his eyes.
Wow, okay, I'm seeing something here.
Are you?
Well, maybe.
Don't rush the conclusion.
No, I'm not rushing. I'm cautiously investigating.
Good. All right, Detective Josh. Case number 3 now.
Okay, I'm ready. I think.
We'll see. So, listen carefully, Josh.
Okay, so last winter I visited my brother. It was a short trip, just 3 days. And in the beginning, everything felt easy. I packed quickly because, it was a short trip. I packed my clothes, my shoes, I packed gifts for my brother's kids, and then I closed my suitcase and left for the airport. Later, while I waited in line, I opened my bag to check my ticket. That's when I noticed something strange. I didn't see my passport. I checked again, I checked every pocket, but no, I didn't pack it. I called my sister immediately, and thanks God she helped me, But by the time I arrived at my brother's house, when I finally got there, I felt completely exhausted.
Okay, so the problem started, at the airport?
Did it?
Well, that's when she noticed it, right?
That's right.
Oh, wait. In the beginning, she packed quickly.
Yes, she did.
She packed clothes. She packed gifts. But, she didn't check her passport.
Go on, Detective.
So, the mistake didn't start at the airport, really.
No, it didn't.
It started before that, when she rushed the packing.
Yay! There it is.
It started before she closed the suitcase.
Exactly, Josh.
Oh, wow. Okay, I actually saw that one.
You did. Congrats. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Becky. I feel promoted.
Don't get too confident.
Okay, fair.
Did you notice something, Josh?
What? What is it?
In all 3 cases, at first, everything looked normal.
Yes, that's true.
Then one small decision changed the direction.
Uh-huh. Yeah, books too fast, turned off the alarm, packed too quickly. Right.
Small actions.
But big consequences.
Well, not big, just inconvenient big.
Yeah, vacation-sized disasters.
Exactly. Fine, Detective Josh. Ready for one last quick case?
Oh, a rapid round.
Yes, very rapid.
So, this one is really simple. Yesterday, I ordered coffee. First, I added sugar. Then, I added milk. And I didn't taste it. After that, I added more sugar. Then I tried it. Ugh, it was terrible. I think I added too much.
Oh, no.
Classic.
So the problem started when he drank it.
Josh.
Sorry. It started when he added too much sugar.
Well, not really. No, before that.
Oh, when he didn't taste it.
Exactly.
He didn't check.
Again. See?
This is becoming personal.
Maybe it should.
Fine, Becky, I see it now.
Do you? So, tell me.
At first, everything looked normal. Then someone rushed or didn't check carefully or thought it's fine.
That's right. And later.
Later, they dealt with the consequences.
So the real question isn't what happened.
No, it's not. It actually is, when did it really start?
Perfect.
Nice. I like that.
Me too. Josh, yesterday you started cooking and
Oh, no.
you didn't check the temperature, right?
I did not. No.
You closed the oven.
Yes, I did.
You waited.
I did.
And then?
Well, then the smoke alarm started. The smoke alarm went off.
So when did the problem start, Detective?
Before that, when I didn't check.
There it is.
So maybe most disasters start quietly, right?
Yeah, maybe they start when we rush.
That's true. Or when we assume.
Yes, when we assume or when we say, it's fine.
Yeah, but it's never fine.
It's sometimes fine.
Okay, that's fair. Fair enough. All right, Detective Becky.
Excuse me?
Well, you were clearly in charge.
I prefer lead investigator.
Of course you do.
So if you're listening and thinking, wait, I did that last week.
That's good.
Well, not good, but good that you noticed.
Yes, because next time you might check first before that.
Exactly.
Thanks for learning English with us at What the Fun English.
Where small mistakes become big stories.
And detectives learn to slow down.
That's right. See you next time.
Bye.